So this is a hard question, and the best way to think about this one is if we rewrite it in that form, we know that that 3 has to divide a plus b because 3 and 8 don't have any common factor. That means AC has to be a multiple of 8. And the least value it can take is AC is 8. So my possible values are 1 and 8, 2 and 4, 4 and 2, 8 and 1. But if you look at this expression that we have to minimize, we want A to be smaller. So these two would give me higher values. But let's look at what the resulting values are. So B would be 3AC over 8 minus A. That's your B equal to. And AC is 8. So this would be 3 minus A. So in the first case, it would be 2. In this case, it would be 1. And in both of these cases, it would actually be negative. So we can discard those. So now I can compute the value of that expression for these particular values. So 3 times 1, 3, plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 8. So that gives me 15. What about here? 6 plus 2b would be 2, plus c, which is 4. So that gives me 12, which is lower. So that's the best I have so far. Now, what about if AC could be 16, for example? And those possible values are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 8 and 2, and then 16 and 1. And again, these would be ruled out because B would be negative in that case. If I go back here, AC is 16, so 6 minus A. And you can see these would give me B to be negative. So we can rule those out. So in this case, B would be 5, and then in that case would be 4. And we can again compute. So this would be 3 plus 10. And you'll see I'm already exceeding 12 and then 16. So that's quite a bit higher. And then if we look at this value here, 6 plus 8 plus 8. So that's going to be 22. So again, these are all higher. And if you keep going to greater multiples of 8, 24, so on and so forth, you will only keep getting higher values. So we know the answer has to be 12. But it is a hard question to kind of absolutely make sure that that is the only possible case. And this is the best explanation I have so far. The answer is 12.